post box still operational. It's in the Scotland, which is the Second World War time. This is 17th century post box. So this is the second oldest building of the property. This building has built by 1805.
Sorry,
1905.
Okay.
The first building was built by the center of the hotel, and that is 1887. So the property has started by Mr. and Mr. Johnson as a boarding house. So reason they start this new property, their own soldiers should stay when they are ruling our country. So later then, from this Britishers, they owned by the Spencer's Group, they have 4,000 rupees, now it is a worth of 40,000 crores. The Taj has taken by lease in 1984, in 18 years. We are still in the lease property only, owners is the Spencer's only.
Second Punari?
Spencer's Group.
Okay.
So this is the one of the event space. On left side, this is the Vietnamese cuisine. This is one of the first Vietnamese restaurants in India. So this is one of the biggest property in the city. It's a 20 acres property. And also we have 117 rooms into 7 categories. In 20 acres we have only for 117 rooms only. So this is the like scattered property. We have only for ground floor and first floor. So this building is the original building, which is a 1887 has started. Now it is converted to the chambers.
What do you mean chamber?
Chambers means we have Taj membership is there, the chambers membership.
Okay.
Those guests only for the allowed here, like lounge type, like business lounge.
Okay.
Like small meetings.
Okay.
Get together, 10 to 15 people, 2 people. When private meetings like that.
Okay.
There is no rooms at all. So
Okay.
this building behind we have fitness center, salon and spa. So after Taj taken, we have so many pathways as opened. Like before it was not there in the Spencer's time. So we didn't cut any trees or plants. We just like transplanted one place to one place. In 1891, Mr. Prince Charles has hosted one of the events. After the hosting, we keep under the name of Prince of Wales Lawn. So this is the Prince of Wales Lawn entry. This completely is lawn. So now it is under renovation is going on lawn also. They are doing something there. So we could not enter that. So this is the Gulmohar tree. This is one of the oldest Gulmohar tree in the property. So there is a 2 branches will be combined by 1 branch. The whole indicated by heart shape.
Okay.
I hope you see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We have many old trees like there is a maple tree. Many old trees. Next to the behind the 17th is like the second oldest building. Behind the lobby, we have a pine tree. This is the second oldest pine tree in the Bangalore. There is a 200 years old. Which tree? Pine tree. Behind the lobby. We have to walk that side. So we have a temple also. This is a temple. The god name is Yogeshwara.
Yeah, Mount Adventure.
Yeah. This is a small history of this temple. One of the jamun tree has fell down on top of the collection. The tree has split into two. Nothing happened to the statue and temple. The same statue again.
Oh, you want this as well? Okay. So I do one with this.
Important, no?
I'll do one this.
So every day morning 7:30 to 8:30 the priest will come. Evening 5:30 to 6. Sundays only in the morning only. So this is the western temple. This is one of the biggest hall. So it's almost 500 to 600 people capacity. Now it's private event is going on. So we could not enter that side.
Okay.
This is the end of the property. This side is property. Room. Beside the property is a golf course. Golf course, those days of army headquarters. That time Sonal was for the head of the army. One of your friend is traveling to Coimbatore to Bangalore. He got a friend got a fever. So that time he wanted to research and find the malaria drug here on this course. So in this part our staff administration, laundry and over tank, boiler and all. Even our laundry and boiler, we don't use the direct power, we use the diesel power or solar power. So you can observe the left side, this is the real forest you can get most here. original French forest called this forest. Very old trees. Yeah. So this is the fig tree. See the fig fruits also here. This is also ropes only. So this is the Presidential Suite, one of the biggest suite of the hotel. We call the Presidential Suite or Tata Suite. It is a private pool, private spa, living room, dining room, like jacuzzi, private, like everything is individually. So many VIP stayed here, Miss Elizabeth, Prime Minister Modi, Bill Clinton, Mr. Hardik Pandey was here, Amit Shah was here. Many VIP stayed. Mr. Kamal Hassan was stayed in 3 months in this room.
Okay.
So one of the largest room for this year.
Okay.
On left side, this is the Kulmohan suite, sir. This is the only separate suite we can say. This is the interconnected by one luxury room. You can utilize by the double bedroom type also. But we sell individually, but you can utilize by the interconnected and inside. The special is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, when the Coolie movie was shot here, the movie, by that time he was injured in the railway station of Bangalore. The medical reason medical rest he was stayed in 45 nights here. So in case if you want any small event like 10 to 15 people to get together, behind this room we have a nice lawn also. In case of rainy season, so this is a small event hall which only for 10 to 15 people. So in ground floor we have a grand luxury suite. These are also old rooms like 40-50 years, which is 1514. Mr. Great Chaffal, when he was Indian coach, completely his period in 14 months he was here. He was stayed here. In 1511, Mr. Raja of Chettinad was stayed in 37 years in this room.
37 years.
37 years. We have still rooms for the 25 years, 30 years. Some old long stairs. And also one the oldest English movie was shot here. The movie called The Passage to India. The crew was stayed in 1 year in this movie. And the movie directed by Mr. David Lawrence. The movie is screenplay by 1960. 50% movie are shot in the hotel. 60% movie are shot in the family. Tree we call it. This one. This is like very oldest tree we can say, almost 3 to 350 years old. So looks like very small. It's a very old tree. The horticulture department has told us it's a 200 million years lifespan. It's a very slow growing tree.